So I started in a travel agency when I was still 15, a couple of days away from 16. Stayed in that side of the business for 5 or 6 years. I left completely, came out for 2 years and actually managed pubs in different areas of the UK, but the travel bug sort of once it's got you, keeps you, and I was drawn back. I came back into Superbrake, and I've been with Superbrake for 15 years now. But it's the variety of the job, the different places that you see, the different people that you meet, and the constant change. No 2 days are ever the same, and you never know when you walk into work, wherever that in the world may be on a morning, exactly what's going to happen. From a supplier perspective, everybody has been sort of open to the concept, more open than probably any other destination I've worked in. Everybody has sort of been flexible, they've really willed it to succeed. That was prior to the operation actually starting. That's continued right the way through to where we are now. But now I have more experience of sort of the locals, everybody from the guy in the chemist to the guy in the Italian restaurant to some of the bar owners, where they've all bent over backwards not only to make us and the Superbrake team welcome, but also to make our customers welcome, and they felt that. And one of the biggest bits of feedback that we've got from our customers from the UK is how friendly, welcoming and warm the locals have been. The BS bar is absolutely by far and away the best thing in the world as far as I'm concerned. You can't get enough of it. I would be there every day if I could. Unfortunately we have to work, so we can't get there every day. From our customers' perspective, it has been leg me back, without a doubt. The full day tour that's included on their excursion, people go with, I guess, very little expectation, because unlike the Golden Circle, it's not as well known in the UK, but they come back and everybody says it's been the highlight of their trip, in whatever weather. And we've had some people out there in some pretty windy, rainy, snowy days. But that just adds to the adventure, and certainly some of the pictures that I've seen are absolutely breathtaking. Yeah, so it was really important for us before we started this programme to have next winter's programme on sale already, because what we wanted to do was people to come this year to go back and to tell their friends about it, and therefore get the word of mouth, and then we have a product that people are able to go back and book straight away. So we effectively launched a like-for-like programme, so the same itinerary, the same programme, the same hotels as we had this year, but then expanded that to 22 departures from 14 this year with the addition of some additional airports. We're now planning to increase that on the next wave up to 30 departures. Also, from our perspective, the aircraft that we were using in hindsight wasn't the best in terms of its technical capabilities to come in and out of evacuary. However, on a normal day with good weather, it wouldn't have caused any issues at all. But unfortunately, again, because the weather has been so extreme, we've had some difficulties with that. So yes, we are in advanced negotiations with another airline, a British airline, for next winter, which will provide an additional 30 seats per week, which doesn't sound like an awful lot, but it's still 30 people that are in the shops, bars and restaurants that are spending money. But also come with a certain amount of experience of operating here, operating in similar conditions, and I have already reached out to the likes of Icelandair, Air Iceland Connect and the other guys when they've been looking at performance calculations and other sort of critical flight operational matters, in order to make sure that they're coming into it at the beginning with the right attitude, that they want to make sure that every flight operates.